Hello and welcome to this video where we will go into Power BI publishing. We will publish a Power BI report. Without further ado, we'll move directly into Power BI. Here I am in my Power BI and you can see I'm inside of Demo Workspace, which I've used throughout this series where I have created a Power BI report. If you look into the salaries report demo, you can see how it looks like. Yes, basically this one. I forgot to change this last time, I think, but I wanted to have 2012, but it doesn't matter here. This one is only for publishing. Let's go back here to my demo workspace. And inside of my demo workspace, what I will do is to click on Create App. And to create app, I will change the name here to, let's see, Salaries Report 2024, for example. This report is about data roles salaries in 2024, blah, blah, blah. We can keep on writing there. Here we can have an app logo. You can upload a nice picture here. I won't do that. App theme color, you can pick, let's pick green, for example. Show app publisher, let's see, advanced setting. I can keep those things on default. Yes. Here, maybe I can put in my name, or I cannot do that. Let's see, let's continue here. Next, add content. And for the content, you add the different reports that you want to be shown in the published version. Add content. I will have this salaries report demo. Click on this one. Add this one. It will be like several tabs. You can add several if you want. If your workspace has several reports and you want to publish all of them, include them in your app, you can choose that. But for me, it's fine to just have this one. Next, we go into audience. And here you can see this one here, and it needs to be visible here. And here you can choose grant access to the entire organization. That means that everyone with the same domain as the one I'm currently in will be able to view this published app, but they will need to have the link. Here let me see, advanced, I will not click any of those. I will just click on publish here. Publish app, I'll publish it. It says 5 to 10 minutes, but usually it's quite fast. So now I have this link here. I will just copy this one and I can go in and paste it in. And I will need to go into my account or a similar account or some account with this domain. And you can see, I chose green, right? Nice Excel-like green. And here you can see if you had several, you could click on those, but this is what I had. You can see, let's see if I can hover this. Yeah, they work. I can click here to filter. Yeah, that worked. Click on that one. Yes, click on this one. Bookmark works. Go back to normal, and then we can choose, for example, here 100%. Yeah, you can see it works. We have published an app. Remember that this one, you need to be signed into your organization. If I just copy this one, and for example, I go to new private browser, I'll paste this in, and you can see I cannot go in there. I need to log into an account which has this domain. Yes, and now you have a published app which you can share to your friends in your organization. You could also do like this. You could do sharing and you can copy the link. You can chat in Teams, which basically gives you a link. You can manage the access to give different people access. You can also export it. You can analyze in Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, but you need to be in the same organization in order for it to work. However, PDF will work, and when you download the PDF, you can choose current values, which is based on all the filtering or default values. And I can export to PDF. and basically you get a PDF file which you can look at. What can you do more? You can, I said PowerPoint also, analyze in Excel. You can try that out, and then you can do file here. You can print this page. You can also embed this report. And if you have SharePoint or a website, you can generate the QR code that someone can scan it and then get into this report. There's a lot of things that you can do with this published report. That is quite cool. And I will leave it at that, and I hope that you've learned a lot in this video. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.